Hey everyone, in this video I will demonstrate a new method to earn money online, and that's how to make money online by watching advertisements. And this method is absolutely free and it's a great way of earning side income. If that interests you, then watch this video to the end. But before we get started, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward approach to earning money online. Please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on so you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method. Thank you. Let's get started. The number one website I'm talking about is adviv.com. On this platform, you get paid by clicking on advert. People come to earn and also advertise on this platform. Okay, there is also packages. We have gold package and the other package, which is free package. So though I do not always recommend people to pay to invest on online businesses, I rather have you pay, do the free package. So when whatever you earn, you can be invested with that way. I think it's cool that way, and that makes sense that way. So see it, we have the sign up and the login button. You can see it, and unique platform for earning. So a lot of people come to advertise here because of they want to improve their search engine optimization, and they want Google to push the website, because Google is always interested in a lot of websites that have a lot of traffic. So the more a website is viewed, the more Google will be interested in pushing or promoting that website. So on this platform, it has a total of 156,898 total member. It has sold package of 7,242, then about 26 months, working 26 months now. So this is the achievement. View advertisement, get payment per view of advertisement, and from 0.0015 cent to $8.94 per ad view without investment. To start earning on this platform, look at it. To start earning on our platform, no investment is required. Register and start earning. So just look at it. They have a referral program, so you get 3% whenever to 4% whenever you attract a person to the site. These are the packages. Okay, then the minimum withdrawal, it has a low minimum withdrawal of about 0.25 cents. That is very, very okay, less than $1, so you can withdraw. But I just want you to know that the site is low paying. It doesn't pay high, but at least you can make something from it. This site is for advertisers. So if you want to advertise your site, you can come to this place so that a lot of people can get it done for you. So just come to this place. Look at the package. The package here. This is the package here. Let me expand it. Package. Click on it. It's opening. This is the package. They have $5 and $25. So you can see it. When you subscribe for this package, you'll be able to view a lot of adverts. So these are the full return with profit 125 days. So on this one, you can see your daily returns will be 0.88%, and if you do the $25, you get 0.639%. So just like I said, I don't always encourage people to invest on things like this. I rather you do the free promo on it. When you get enough money, you can be invested back. So this is how this site is. So it's very easy. You can come to this place. Let me go back, quickly go back. So it's loading. You can come to this place, then you sign up. This is it. Put in your name, your email, username, password, you enter, then the payment processor. So please, these are the payment option: perfect money, Payeer, Bitcoin, coin payment, Litecoin. So they don't have PayPal, so you choose whichever one you want. If it's Bitcoin, you put your wallet address, then click on I'm not a robot here, agree, then you register. So I think this is how you can get a little change on this website.